Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So the biggest hiring finally has been announced, and earlier this application by Claude. Now finally again the application has been opened from the IBM. So for IBM finally they have announced the hiring for the role of Associate System Engineer, that is ASC. Your friends, keep applying for the off-campus drive because recently I provided you update related to IBM, and those students who have applied they got the offer letter too, means after giving the assessment and all those things. So you will get reward, no need to worry, just keep applying with updated resume. Okay, so talking a little bit more about this, so required education in bachelor degree and preferred bachelor degree. You should have knowledge of programming language such as Java, C++, Python, Node.js, and you should have knowledge of SDLC. So if you need any notes related to SDLC, then you can just join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There I'm sending you the notes related to SDLC, that is Software Development Lifecycle, and who are eligible 2024 and 2025 pass out only. And this was a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply. So for that, you should have good communication skill. And related to assessment, I have already made detailed video. Next important, and this is also biggest hiring for the role of internship, that is from the Oracle. They are hiring the student intern India, and this is a trending, you can say, job. So everyone should apply. Okay, and for applying, just you have to click apply now, or if you want, then you can also request a referral from an Oracle employee. So this is a good thing that you can ask from the LinkedIn, from the Oracle employee, and if they provide, then it is a good opportunity and it will increase your chance for selection. Next important opportunity from the Cornerstone, they are hiring for the role of data engineer Hyderabad, and students are also getting reward for this important job. Okay, so make sure to apply, and friends, you can just subscribe us for getting such important job update. Okay, and those who have an NQT exam, just best of luck to all the students, and those who are following our NQT series. I hope that you have completed all the things. If you haven't completed by the time, just complete it before your exam, because you will get good clarity in NQT exam, especially in coding things. Okay, so you should apply for data engineer role. Next important opportunity, that is they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer ASC, and freshers are welcome. So if you are from 2024, 2025, 2026 engineering graduate, either from BTech, BCA, then you are eligible for this. For that, you should have just strong verbal and written communication skills and confidence and basic technical knowledge. So this is a wonderful opportunity from the American Chase. So these are the things you will gain, and American Chase is a good company, and there is a strong chance of getting reward from this particular company. So you will getting the cab facility, and location is Indore, and this is a full-time role. So you can apply. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can also fill the form. Okay, and we'll provide you dedicated guidance. So we have already provided you selection for the TCS or Cognizant, Deloitte, and other important companies. So if you want to be on that position, then you can just fill the form. Next important opportunity from the Tech Mahindra, and they are hiring for the role of the domestic blended process. Remember, this is a non-technical job, and this is the working time and graduation. So this was 19th March. Coming to the national important community, that is from the Wipro, they are hiring for the role of the trainee, and job location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This is a wonderful opportunity, and I will suggest especially 2025 or 2024 pass out by you should apply. Okay, and these are the performance parameter, and you will be basically monitor all those time. Okay, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So mandatory skill set is defined benefit, that is a DV Tech should have. Okay, so I regularly post lots of important job update. Currently students are getting also reward from the ICICI Bank. So if you want to become the relationship manager in ICICI Bank, then I have also shared my journey, and still hiring is going on, so you can apply. Philips, HSBC, another company are hiring, so you can apply. Okay, for getting such important job update, you can subscribe us. And those who are in third year, make sure to apply for the summer research internship at IIT Delhi, Jammu, and other important. So you can apply. Okay, so मिलते हैं next important update में. Thank you.